Well, it's another day of snow. Look at Harvey de Grace, Maryland. And Tinkerbell. Tinkerbell loves it. There she is. Come on, Tinkerbell. Ooh, Tinkerbell loves the snow. She loves the snow. She does. You like it, Tinkerbell? Tell everybody about the snow. Tell everybody. Come on, talk. Tell everybody what you think, Tinkerbell. No, tell everybody what you think. You see? Did you see the snow? Oh, she loves it. Tinkerbell loves the snow. Yes, she does. Yes, she does. Tinkerbell. Say Merry Christmas. Say Merry Christmas, everybody. Merry Christmas. I love this.